Hello, in this video I'll show how to use application for converting tab files to Markdown. You can see on my computer I have a tab file. I can double click on it to open. To open it in tab viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside tab file, and you can see I have information about states like state name, code, region, subregion, and all data in here. And I will be converting this. Also, I can export tab file to different format, but I will be converting this file states tab into Markdown. And in order to do it, I will download application from this website. I will leave link on this site into description. And to find application, I'll click on search and type tab to Markdown. And I need this export to Markdown app. I'll click on it, then click on tab to Markdown, and click on download to start downloading process, and wait until archive will be downloaded. I'll be recording more videos on creating Markdown files and converting tab files. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, this application can be executed from command line. So if I have to, for example, convert all tab files in a folder to Markdown, I can do this with this app, or I can set up scheduler for converting files. I can do that, or if I can shell this application from another application in order to convert files, I can do that too. So you can see archive has been downloaded. I'll click on download the archive, double click on the inside archive to start installation, and click on more info here. I am getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now let's close this. And this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, we'll have to select one or many tab files we'd like to convert. So I'll click on this button, select my states tab, click on open, click on next step. If first row of my tab file contains column name, it's usually the case for many tab files, in my case too, so I will keep it checked, click on next step, and on final step I can preview my Markdown, or I can save result into a text file. So let's save it, this file. File has been saved. Now let's open GitHub and just verify if our file is readable, and if it's correct, I will click on select all, click copy here, click paste, Ctrl V. Yep. And just commit changes. And you can see our Markdown is nicely shown in GitHub. So yeah, basically that's it. We converted our file into Markdown document, and yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.